45 silver.
Give it.
Oh, I also have 3 calming potions. Should I sell those?
Calming? No! Calming is good.
There you go.
And money.
Let's see. How about the danger seeking potion? Should I sell that?
I don't know.
Lesser mana. Intrepid radar. Do I have radar?
I do.
What's radar good for? Detects enemies. Does not help me with my...
Your what?
If I put that guy over...
What are you doing?
Oh, good. Oh, I just moved my watch over to a vanity area, so I still get to see the time. Okay, what were you
What?
What were you trying to get for me?
Money.
Money. Yes, money.
Money.
Money. Yes. Money. Oh, money.
No money?
Money. Money. And
Here's my present. This thing's got some range to it.
so does my clubberfish.
Mine goes down more quickly. Oh yeah, by the way, 2 minutes ago I started video.
Yay! Oh, hi everybody. Didn't know you were there. Wormtooth.
Wormtooth.
Crafting. What do you do with Wormtooth?
Anyway, did you see the band of regeneration I gave you?
Yes, I put it on.
Good.
Thank you.
But not in vanity.
No, not in vanity.
Okay. So what's your defense like?
Still 8.
Wow. Last episode, I went to the dungeon.
Yay, dungeon.
Killed Skeletron. Went down. What's up? Okay. Went down into the depths of the dungeon. Found the mechanic here. Found a gold chest. Unlocked it. Got my Muramasa. Came up here, found the mechanic. Explored a bit up here. After the episode ended, I found the Goblin Tinkerer. Hello. You alive?
Yeah, I'm alive. Oh, hey, I found some, I got some swiftness potions. Yeah, oh, down on the ground. And, some iron skin. And 1 larger healing.
Larger?
I don't know what it is.
It's just a healing potion. Just a regular.
Okay, just stick to it.
What?
I just gave you sticky bombs and said, just stick to it. Oh, here's some money. Whoop. That did work. Oh, yeah, I did. There's a little bit more money. Here you go. That's all I got. What's this thing?
What? Oh, that thing?
Yeah, what's that thing?
It's a bone welder.
Oh.
You don't remember that back in our old world?
I never used it.
It's for special crafting bones. For those who are wondering where this
Where this episode we don't know.
Thing. 1 second, I'm gonna pause real quick. Pause over.
Yay.
My grappling hook looks like it's clapping.
That's funny.
No.
You seem to have died.
I know that.
You're a live challenge.
I know that.
Okay. Thought I'd help you with that one in case you got.
The tombstone bounced all the way over here.
Nice.
Let's keep the gravestone there.
That's funny.
Life is fun sometimes. Which is more accurately funny.
Yes.
Not to confuse you with a fun knee.
I don't have a fun knee.
You don't have a fun knee?
No, my knee's definitely not fun.
Does it hurt you?
Sometimes. Sometimes quite meanly. How are you supposed to take your empty bottles and turn them into bottles of water?
Just stand in a thing of water. Just simple as that.
Really?
Yeah. But bottles are limited. Because the developers are like, you know what? Let's just take the character, have him drink the potion, and smash him onto the floor.
That's not very smart of the guy. Oh, there's a builder potion.
I know. Don't smash that into the ground.
Okay.
You can drop it onto the ground. Just don't smash it.
Okay.
Please don't smash the bottle or glass. Please.
There's a gills potion.
Please don't do it.
Now, where are those bottles?
Can you imagine playing this game without using potions?
It'd definitely be difficult.
Well, like, that's including, like, without, like, healing potions and things.
Mm-hmm.
I just noticed that there's
Can you close that chest?
Yeah.
I would like to get in it. I have bottles somewhere. I'd like to fill them.
Okay.
Get some water. Thank you. Did you take the bottle?
No.
Where did you take the bottles?
I did not.
Really?
Really?
They've been in all of our chests. I'm gonna make some more money.
We should check all the chests again.
Okay, please stop messing with me. It's not funny.
Who said I was trying to amuse you? Who said I was trying to...
Okay, once again, trolling the people that are on your team is a way to get rid of your team. If you want people to not want to play with you, continue trolling your team.
Well, notice it's not very big trolls. Our Goblin Tinkerer does not want to... He's standing on a spike!
Ow.
Is he trying to get himself killed?
Apparently.
Wow, this is a lot more accurate thing than my other mouse. That's interesting. Oh no, I should not be wasting that.
So do you actually have to use the bottles in the water, or you just have them?
Just have them. Just you craft. You go into your crafting. Stand in a thing of water with the bottles and click bottled water.
Nice. Okay.
This also works for honey.
Good to know. That's not the fastest way to water.
Ugh.
Explosive bunny.
Hmm? What? What do you say?
I said explosive bunny.
Why?
Because that's one of those things I can make. I have a bunny and I have explosives. There, I have 44 bottles of water. And your latest guys kind of look vaguely like a clock. Do you see it?
Yeah. I am now a clock for the rest of the episode.
Yay! Kind of hard to play that way though.
Just play with my feet.
There you go.
Okay, kind of just move
Okay, don't.
the mouse.
Yeah, no.
I'm being watched.
By whom?
The camera.
Yay!
I'd say this thing's dead. It's a good mouse. Banged it one too many times. On the
Thing.
thing. It's had a good life. Now you'll see this on the wall back. I mean, in the back of this room.
I don't know if your mother will go for that one.
Just have it here.
Spiky ball!
Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. Just no.
Good luck with that one, son.
I don't know. Display in my room. I don't know.
You'll find out for it. Don't worry.
This thing has been in my life.
Deep sentimental value.
Yes. Like, I cannot just throw this thing away.
I can.
Really?
Yeah, sure.
Anyway, this thing's been in my life for what, like 10 years? But no.
No.
7. I've used this mouse
For a while.
for a long time. It's not like the first mouse I've ever used.